Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm just going to take a minute to talk to you about all of the wraps per inch tools that we have at Katrinkles. Here are a couple of our mini tool sets feature wraps per inch guides, and we have some really adorable animals that do. We have hedgehogs, and we have dachshunds, and we have cats, and we have sheep, and we have butterflies, and we have tons more animals too. Pretty much anything you can think of, we probably have it, or we're going to make it eventually. I'm going to show you how to use a wraps per inch tool. I love this lined one from our mini tool collection because besides having a notch cut in the top for making your wraps per inch, it has a guide on it which underneath says this sizing of the wraps per inch on it, and it's just kind of an extra nice check for yourself. To use the tool, you start off by holding your yarn on one edge, and then you gently wrap the yarn not too tight and make sure that it's laying right next to itself as you go around each inch. And just keep wrapping nice and loosely. And when you get to the end of the inch, you stop and you count how many wraps you've made. So in this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 wraps per inch, which every wraps per inch tool says what the weight of your yarn is based on your number of wraps. This says it's a worsted weight. It's a 9. The ball also says it's a worsted weight. This is a great tool for if you are going to be losing your ball band or if you're trying to figure out if a yarn will work for a project. But basically, if you just wrapped it around and then you wanted to double check, you can take your yarn and you can look and you can say worsted, that's a 9, and you lay it in there and you can see that it's fitting very nicely in the slot that is cut for worsted weight yarn. So this is a great tool for that. All of our wraps per inch tools are really good for figuring out sizing on those balls of yarn that are in the bottom of your stash that you're not quite sure what to do with. And I hope you enjoy playing with them as much as I do. And I hope to craft with you again soon.